Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
CopyMachina or CopyMachina review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called CopyMachina or Machina. I don't know how they pronounce it, so it's that review. Right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 11 minutes long, so we'll get back to the demo video later on. On the sales page it says, ditch ChatGPT, see how this powerful contextual, emotionally intelligent copy app 10 times our traffic and sales in record time without any copy skills, writing prompts, our monthly fee. Create unlimited high converting tone based emotional marketing copies for your blogs, websites, videos, emails, ads, blah blah blah. Okay, from the sales page you will not understand much, so we'll have to see the demo video to see what the software is going to do for you. Now let's get to the bottom to see if we have any questions. We surely do. So it all starts with $17 as usual, and the questions are where? Here. So do you need to download anything? No. Monthly fee? No. What happens? Nothing. Refund? They say you can have 30-day refund. What about the updates? What if I have questions? You can email them, right? So we are done with the sales page. Now this software is going to do some copywriting for you. You can generate some articles, blogs, or some headlines, or some other stuff which you will see in the demo video. Okay, so technically this software gives you all these features which you see: AI writer, AI image. Yes, you can also generate some images, AI images. Okay, and then AI chatbot, and then AI code, and AI speech to text. Okay, and then AI voiceover, means text to speech. So there are many features inside the software, and if you think yes, it might be helpful to you in some way or the other, then you can go and buy this if you want to. Okay, however, this has got nothing to do with making money. Okay, understand here. This will give you all these features which you can access. You can generate content, blogs, whatever you want to. After that, how will you make money? Who will make money? Nobody knows. Okay, so the job of the software is to generate the article and all that. The job of the software is not to make money for you. Are we clear? Okay, so buy the software after watching the demo video only if you want the software to do these tasks for you. Okay, now in case you want to make money only, for example, people would be lying to you. If you have received some emails, in the emails it might have been said or written that you go and buy this thing and start making money from tomorrow. Again, this thing got nothing to do with making money. Making money is like you sell something to someone. Okay, so let's say you buy this CopyMachina whatever from me, from somebody else. If you buy, we make money, you make nothing. Okay, similarly you might have to come tomorrow and make a YouTube review, and somebody else will buy from your YouTube video, then you will make money, they will make nothing. Understand? So if you want to make money, there are few ways you have to do that. Either you start doing affiliate marketing like everybody else, come on YouTube, give some bonuses, or do blah blah blah, and if they buy from you, you make money. Okay, so in case your end goal is only to make money online, then this product has got no relevance with making money, but it does give you some features, and if you want these features, then you will need to access the software or buy the software. Okay, anyways, if your goal is only to make money online, then I will leave you my links below, or I'll tell you what exactly I do to make my money. So these are some links here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like this thing here which you see right now. This is the graph, buy low, sell high, or buy high, sell low. Okay, so we will talk about this in detail in the end, because we can do this on automation. Okay, and then second link is make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube, just like me, by getting your YouTube channel monetized. Because when you are watching my YouTube video right now, whether you buy something from me or not, you have seen some ads in this video. These ads have made me some money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, because my channel is monetized. More details will come in towards the end of the video. Just watch the video till the end if you want to make money. Okay, for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you make a little super thanks. Subscribe is free, like is free, do that. Okay, let's get back to the demo video now here. So let's play the demo video for you. Now what I will do is I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video, so that you can come down and click on the link which will be saying watch CopyMachina demo here. Click on that link. That link will take you to this video. Watch the video for 11 minutes in your spare time. I will not play the whole video, okay? So they're showing the features one by one. This is the AI writer feature, so you can go and generate all these things, all these topics, such as the title or the product description or article or product name, testimonial. You can generate all these things using the AI feature, okay? Next thing is AI image, right? So you go to, this is the article they're showing how to generate. So how to lose weight, the whole article is right there, okay? And then you have to go and generate some AI image, I guess. Then you have AI voiceover and stuff like that, okay? So again, I am running through all of this. You go out there and watch this video for 11 minutes before you buy. You will find the link below my video of the demo video, okay? Then what do we have? We have the usual stuff. We have upgrades. So you can see it starts with $17, but they want more money, okay? So it goes even up to $497. What are you going to buy? I have no clue. So if in case you want this software after watching the demo video, only go for the front end, which will be like 17, 18 bucks, okay? After that, they will have some credit system. So in the dashboard in the software, if you generate some articles or some blogs or whatever, your credits will be consumed, and when you run out of the credits as per the limit, then you'll have to maybe buy some other package, okay? So let's see here, what are you going to get in the OTOs? So this is what you will be getting in the front end on the left side. So you can see here, this is what you will be getting front end, $17, and this OTO one is for $37, which is Pro edition. So just read everything here, and then you have OTO 2 and 3, so you can read everything here again, and then OTO 4 is this, and that's all they're saying, but there are more OTOs, trust me. So if they have 22 sales pages, that means there are at least 10 OTOs, okay? You can see here something being sold to you in 47, 27, 12, 37, God knows what else, okay? So yeah, I would, in case you have to buy the software, only go with the front end for now, and then see how does it work. If you like it, then maybe you can go and make your decision afterwards if you want to continue using the software, okay? So let's come back and let's get done with this. CopyMachina is going to give you all these cool features which you want to use in your projects. Then go and get the software if you want to, if you have the need. If you don't have the need, if you are here only because you wanted to make money online, don't buy this. This will not make you money. This will only do some tasks, okay? If you only want to make money online, check out these links below my video. Make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, as I have shown you this thing. And then second link says Traffic Jarvis, all about YouTube. Subscribe, like, and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf, and once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.